Do your weaner pigs grow slowly even when you feed them every day? Do they look thin, weak, or lose weight after weaning? Well, you're not alone. Many farmers struggle to get their piglets to grow fast after weaning. But today, I'll show you exactly how to formulate the best feed for your weaner pigs. Using both local ingredients and balanced nutrition that will make them grow fast, healthy, and strong. So stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a sample feed formula and a feeding schedule you can follow on your farm starting today. Section 1. Understanding weaner pigs. Weaner pigs are piglets that have just stopped suckling their mother's milk, usually around 6 to 8 weeks old. At this stage, their stomachs are small, their digestive system is still developing, and they are easily stressed. That's why the feed we give them must be easily digestible, rich in protein for growth, energy-dense for strength, and balanced with vitamins and minerals. If the feed is too heavy or not balanced, the piglets will refuse to eat, suffer diarrhea, lose weight instead of gaining. So, the goal of weaner feed is to help them adapt from milk to solid feed smoothly. Section 2. Nutritional needs of weaner pigs. To grow well, weaner pigs need protein, 18 to 22%. Protein helps build muscles and body tissues. Sources include soybean meal, ground nut cake, fish meal, and blood meal. Energy, around 3,200 kilocalories per kilogram. Energy keeps the pig warm, active, and supports growth. Sources include maize, cassava, or sorghum. Fiber, below 5%. Too much fiber will slow growth. Keep the feed smooth and light. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus for bone development. You can get these from bone meal or limestone. Vitamins help the immune system. Use vitamin premix to ensure complete nutrition. Salt and additives to improve taste and digestion. Remember, a balanced diet is better than a heavy diet. It's not about how much feed, but the quality of what you feed. Section 3. Common local feed ingredients. Here are some of the most common ingredients. Ingredient function. Notes: maize energy. Can replace with cassava or sorghum. Soybean meal protein. Must be well roasted to remove toxins. Fish meal high protein. Use dried, clean fish meal. Ground nut cake protein. Avoid moldy ones. Bone meal minerals, strengthens bones, salt taste and mineral balance. Don't overuse wheat bran, fiber and energy. Use small amount, vitamin mineral premix. Growth and immunity must not be skipped. You can also add small amounts of palm oil or molasses to make the feed more palatable for weaners. Section 4. Sample feed formula for weaner pigs. Here's a sample. 100 kilogram feed formula for weaner pigs, from 8 to 20 kilogram body weight. Weaner pig feed formula, 100 kilograms. Ingredient quantity, kilograms. Maize, 45 kilograms. Soybean meal, 20 kilograms. Fish meal, 10 kilograms. Ground nut cake, 8 kilograms. Wheat bran, 10 kilograms. Bone meal, 3 kilograms. Salt, 0.5 kilograms. Vitamin mineral premix, 0.5 kilograms. Total, 100 kilograms. This formula will give you around 20% crude protein, which is perfect for weaner pigs. If fish meal is expensive, you can replace 5 kilograms of it with blood meal or soybean meal, but make sure to maintain the protein level. Section 5. How to mix the feed properly. Here's how to mix. Step 1. Weigh all ingredients accurately using a scale or bucket measurement. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients first. Maize, wheat bran, ground nut cake, soybean meal, and fish meal. Step 3. Add bone meal, salt, and vitamin-mineral premix. Step 4. Mix again thoroughly until the feed is uniform in color and texture. Step 5. Store in clean, dry bags or bins away from moisture and rodents. Pro tip: don't mix feed for more than 2 weeks' use. The nutrients, especially vitamins, can reduce over time. Section 6. Feeding schedule and quantities. For the first few days after weaning, start gently. Feed them small amounts 4 times a day: morning, mid-morning, afternoon, and evening. As they adapt, reduce to 3 times daily. Here's a guide. Age, weeks. Feed per pig per day. Feeding frequency. Week 1, 0.3 to 0.5 kilograms, 4 times a day. Week 2, 0.5 to 0.8 kilograms, 3 times a day. Week 3, 0.8 to 1.0 kilograms, 3 times a day. Week 4 and above, 1.0 to 1.5 kilograms, 3 times a day. Always make sure feed is fresh, water is clean and always available. Feeding troughs are cleaned daily. Weaners love clean feed and water. It encourages them to eat more and grow faster. Section 7. How to boost feed efficiency. To make the most out of your feed, you need to improve feed conversion efficiency. That means turning feed into body weight effectively. Here's how. Keep their environment warm and dry. Weaners hate cold. A wet or cold pen slows growth. Avoid overcrowding. Give each piglet space, about 0.4 to 0.6 square meters each. Deworm regularly. Internal worms reduce feed efficiency. Use probiotics or enzymes. These improve digestion and boost immunity. Observe your pigs daily. If one isn't eating, isolate and check for illness. A healthy weaner should gain about 300 to 400 grams per day with good feed and care. Section 8. Common mistakes farmers make. Now, let's look at the common mistakes farmers make when feeding weaner pigs. Using adult pig feed for weaners. It's too heavy and can cause diarrhea. Skipping vitamins or minerals leads to weak bones and poor growth. Feeding moldy or wet feed causes poisoning and poor appetite. Feeding too much fiber slows digestion and reduces energy. Changing feed suddenly causes stress and feed refusal. Always introduce new feed gradually over 3 to 5 days to avoid digestive problems. Section 9. Expected results. If you follow this feed formulation and feeding plan, you should start seeing results within a few weeks. Your weaner pigs will eat more eagerly, gain weight faster, have shiny, smooth skin, and show less sickness. By 10 weeks of age, a well-fed weaner can reach 18 to 25 kilograms, ready to move to the grower feed stage. Section 10. Tips for reducing feed cost. Feed cost takes almost 70% of total pig production. So let's see how to save money without harming growth. Use local materials like cassava peels, yam peels, or maize bran, but dry and grind them well. Grow your own maize or soybeans if possible. Buy ingredients in bulk when prices are low. Form a farmers group to share feed mixing equipment. Avoid wastage. Use good feeders that reduce spilling. A well-planned local feed formula can cut your cost by 30 to 40% while still giving you excellent growth. Step-by-step recap. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Know your weaner's needs: protein, energy, vitamins, minerals. Use quality local ingredients. Mix feed properly and store it well. Feed 3 to 4 times daily with clean water. Avoid mistakes like using adult feed or moldy ingredients. Monitor growth and health daily. If you follow these steps, you'll see your weaner pigs grow faster, stronger, and healthier than ever before. Now that you know how to make the perfect feed for Weaner pigs, it's time to take action. Try this formula on your farm and share your results in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Remember, good feed means good profit. Happy farming, and see you in the next video.